Right.
Bow. Yeah. We all the way in the building.
Yo, my name is Kamal, secret producer extraordinaire. I simply produce. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do.
Exactly.
Bam.
I simply produce.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Remo Ride, man, the host, the producer, you know what I'm saying, one of the creators, and I'm filming myself at the same time, so you know it's going down. You can see on Beehive.
He is using it to film him.
Goddamn FM.com.
This is BeehiveFM.com. Snapback. You know what I'm saying? See them on that. On BeehiveFM.com. Snapback.
Is it my turn? I am Morgan, the Morganator. The alias is Nikki Hendricks. I am an actress and a singer. I'm part of the Snack Pack, and I think we're pretty awesome, and that's why we're here. Because I'm pretty sure that you agree with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Now, hey, can I introduce myself like a rapper?
Go ahead, bro.
Alright, hey, this Young Tyler, man, aka Young Snack Pack, aka Young Killer Microphone, aka I'm doing this on my own, aka. Hey, the rappers be having more AKAs in the black college. Hey, but for real, listen, Snack Pack is in the building. We in here with E for real, and this is a real. I'm still filming myself too, but this is a real studio. Understand? I just thought it was gonna be a microphone plugged into a laptop. Hey, E for real gotta go know for real. He might got a house address on the studio, but the shit is. Can I say shit?
Tell them about the Emmys in the lobby.
Oh, it's like
a wall of Emmys.
A wall of swan-looking bitches on the trophy.
That lets you know he is.
Understand? We got to be descriptive. We're on the radio. Remo bought posters to the radio.
There you go, man.
Hey, man.
You all can see it.
Because it's online, ain't it? Ain't for real? Nigga, come on, homeboy, nigga smiling.
Yeah, look, he waved at
He waved at her. I couldn't even get the wave.
Hey! And some goddamn 3D shit. D-Cat can't see me shit. Keep coming toward me, you can't shit. Goddamn, come on. I don't give a damn hole. You keep coming straight from me. I'll be there. Edie, you gonna be out there with us, man? Man, you gotta come out there.
You gotta come see the show just so you can see what the hoopla is about.
You know what I'm saying?
It's for real, BeehiveFM.com. In here with a snack pack. We chilling together, making things happen. Make sure you check them out. Don't miss it. Doing something boo. Snack pack all day long, y'all.